Hey everyone, if you're having trouble with Roblox crashing or freezing, stay tuned. In this video, I'll share a variety of solutions to get your game running smoothly again. The first step is to clear the Roblox cache. Corrupted cache files can sometimes cause crashes, so let's get rid of them. On a Windows PC, open the Start menu by pressing the Windows key, then search for Run. Once the Run dialog pops up, type in %local app data % and hit Enter. In the folder that opens, look for the Roblox folder. Once you find it, right-click on it and select the trash icon to delete it. Next, let's make sure Roblox's servers are up and running. Sometimes the game may crash if there's an issue with the servers, such as maintenance. To check, open your web browser and go to status.roblox.com. If everything is running fine, you'll see a green message saying all systems operational. If the servers are down, you'll see the details listed there, and that could explain the crashing. Another simple fix is to run Roblox as an administrator. To do this, right-click on the Roblox app and select Run as Administrator. A prompt may appear asking for permission, just click Yes to proceed. If none of these steps have worked so far, the next thing to try is reinstalling the Roblox app. To do this, go to the Start menu and search for apps. Click on Add or Remove Programs and use the search bar to find the Roblox app. Make sure you select Roblox Player, not Roblox Studio, then click on the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. After uninstalling, go to your web browser and visit our roblox.com/download. Click the Download Roblox button to reinstall the app. Once it's finished downloading, try launching Roblox again to see if the issue is fixed. Another important fix is to make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause Roblox to lag, freeze, or even crash. To update your graphics drivers, open the Start menu again and search for Device Manager. From there, expand Display Adapters, right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. You can either allow Windows to automatically search for updates, or you may need to visit your graphics card manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers. After these steps, hopefully Roblox will be working properly again. However, if you're still having trouble, try disconnecting any external devices like game controllers or steering wheels from your PC. Sometimes, these devices can interfere with Roblox. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're still having issues, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to assist you. Until next time.